Good mighty morning, gals, and happy Friday. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, February 26, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the OWL Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my OWL Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. There are great things that happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars, there are some amazing scholars at our school that are coming to school every day. They have their cameras on and they're completing all their work. Nice job, scholars. Proud of all of you that are doing that. I also have scholars that are reading. We have 26 Royal Readers. Let's get some more. Come on, scholars, do that reading and testing. Also, Coach Frank is so proud of how many scholars love to exercise. I appreciate how many of you want to be physically fit and working hard to get there. Nice job. Okay, couple of reminders, scholars. Remember, fourth grade scholars, Monday is your writing mock star. So get a good night's rest, eat breakfast, and don't forget it's a changed schedule on Monday for you. So make sure you have the new schedule and you're ready to follow that schedule. Second thing, oh my goodness, next week is Dr. Seuss birthday week. So on Monday, you can all wear mismatched or crazy socks. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear the craziest socks that I have. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will also be some crazy out of uniform dressed. So make sure and read the Family Weekly when it comes out on Monday so you'll know exactly what to wear. Again, on Monday it is crazy or mixed matched socks. So can't wait to see all of your crazy socks on Monday. And then remember, next Friday, March 5th, no school because our teachers are going to be in training. And then you have spring break the following week. All right, so Monday we'll see you for Wacky Sock Day and for fourth graders for our mock writing star, which you're going to rock because you are rock stars. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day and we'll see you in the classrooms. Hoot hoot!